Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Ford Focus MK3. This is the third generation guys Ford Focus, and we'll show you how to remove your lower engine mount, the bottom engine mount, also known as torque strut mount guys. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. You have three engine mounts, one on the passenger side, one on the transmission side, and one on the lower side of the engine. So that's what we'll be doing today. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on Ford Focus MK3 and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get car parts and tools and everything that we use guys for a super good price, fast shipping as well. First, what do we need to do? We need to jack the car up, we need to remove the bottom engine covers. So stay with us, we'll start with that and then we'll continue with the mount removal. So we need a torque sturdy guys. Okay, torque sturdy, start looking bit. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and start removing screws underneath. Okay, you can see 1, 2, then we have one more in the other corner there. Okay, 2 screws, 3 screws so far guys. Now we have more that we need to remove. We're going to start from the passenger side now. 1, 2, 3 on the front, 3 in the rear, 3 in the front guys. So now, okay, let's explain now. You grab it and you pull it forward. Pull it forward and drop it down. You can see just like that. And this is guys your engine here. And we just found out that we have an oil leak from the rear crankshaft seal right there, so we'll have a video how to fix that one as well. You should have 2 more guys in the corners, one there and one on the other side, but 2 are missing. Ours are missing, and the screws, what they look like, okay, just like this one. So you can see, you can get an idea what it looks like now, and that's where your oil filter is located and bottom of the engine as well. Okay, so with the mounts removed and all that stuff now guys, okay, let me explain what we'll be doing here quick. Okay, I'm going to come with the camera right there and let me show you where your mount is located. Okay, this is it right here guys. So what we'll need to do now, okay, we need to go ahead and remove the bolt. This is the side bolt guys. Okay, you can see where your oil pan is. Those things will be extremely tight, 15 millimeters socket that we're using here. So we need to get that bolt all the way out. Okay, the engine may twist up or down, so you have to be careful guys. You may need to move it a little bit or use a jack to move it to where you can get, okay, the bolt out. You can see how the engine tilted, so be careful not to hit you. It's not going to drop unless you guys, something terrible goes bad and all the mounts are broken and all that stuff, but usually engine shouldn't drop. Now we have that bolt on the back side that we need to go ahead and remove. Again, the same 15 millimeter guys, you can see. Okay, perfect. Now that mount guys, okay, it's loose all the way, but unfortunately guys, okay, unfortunately we'll have to see if we can move the engine like down and pry the mount up, or the other way around, or we'll need to remove the mount, because the mount bracket right there, you have one mount bracket that you need to remove, otherwise you won't be able to get it out. I heard some people are able to get it out. We were not able to on another car. Okay, and that's why we're doing the same thing to this car. So we got this bolt loose there now. Okay, perfect, this one is out. Now what else we got? Let's check it out. We have one that's not so convenient guys, with a short socket. Okay, you need to move the engine just a little bit to get in there. This one's coming off now. Perfect, bolt is out, guys. Now let's see what else we have here. Okay, one more guys, towards the other side. Okay, I'm trying to get the best view I can for you, but okay, this one is super tight bolt as well. So let me see, maybe see if we can get a bigger. Okay, I can see that bolt from right here. Let me show you quick. It's if you come to the wheel. Okay, it's behind the transmission right there. You can see through that hole. So what we're going to do now, okay, we're going to get that one loose. So give us just a little bit of time to figure out how to do it now. So we're again tilting the engine back and forth. Okay, that engine mount is all the way, guys. Okay, down there, and I'm okay. This thing right there, and we're trying to see if it can come out, but no, just a little bit, and it can't. So we need to get that last bolt loose now. So we'll see if we can get the two in here. Okay, and get it loose. So let us show you now, guys. We actually what we did. We supported the engine a little bit, leaned forward or backwards so that end comes down, and we got an offset box wrench, guys. I used the big hammer at first to break it loose, and now it goes by hand. So you can see how it's coming out now. It's just a little bit slow. Okay, I'm trying to get a little bit of light here to show you a little bit better. Okay, you can see where we're working right there. So we just have a little bit more left, guys. Not much left, and that bolt should come out. If I come on top, okay, I'll see if I can see it from here, but we have the you can see the battery box removed, because what we'll be doing actually, guys, we'll be doing engine replacement here, and we have a video from start to finish that will explain how to do the engine replacement, so check it out. Okay, if you want to see on a Ford Focus how to do engine replacement, all that will be there, guys. So it should come out any minute, hopefully. It's going by hand now, and then it stops. Then it goes by hand, then it stops again. Very inconvenient place for that bolt, and we tried everything possible to get that bottom engine mount out of the way without removing that bracket, but we were not able to do that, guys. I don't know why, but just we cannot get enough clearance to get it out of there. No, not yet. So We might need to reach it from the other side if we, so we can spin a little bit more, we'll see. It shouldn't be a very long bolt, by the way. I don't know why it's... And then it stops again. It just goes by hand for like half a revolution, then you have to use the wrench. Then half a revolution it goes by hand, then you have to use the wrench. And we don't have any pressure on the bolt too. I think there is maybe a little bit of corrosion where it goes in the aluminum. You know how aluminum and metal bonds. And maybe that is causing it, okay, not to come out. So okay, it's coming out now. This is, guys, the bolt. Perfect. This is the mount, the bracket for the mount, and we can go ahead and put the bottom torque strut mount there as well, guys. You can see, just like that. So check it out, guys. That's how you remove it. Putting it together, everything is practically in reverse order that we took it apart. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having to do that. Thank you for watching. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.